Hello preparedness people and welcome to the Big's Prep. My name is Cynthia and today we're gonna make a grocery list for restocking my pantry after a 60-day pantry challenge. So if you're ready, press the like button and let's get right into it. This over here is dog food. This is full, that's rice down there, and then that one is empty. We're going to start right off with kind of the drink section. I do not need sugar. I have so much sugar. I might just get one bag of sugar. So let's put that on the list. Drinks. I need to restock this drink area. We love seltzer water. It's kind of a joke in recovery that people who are in recovery drink seltzer water, and it's true. It's so funny. This is where I keep my cranberry juice, you can see. And usually I keep 4 in here, and right now I have none. And I also have not really any in the refrigerator either. So I'm actually going to put 5 cranberry juices on here. I usually keep 4 of these, so we're good on that. Candy. I have candy in my bucket, but I don't have any backup candy. So candy I usually get at Walmart. I'll make a separate little list down here for Walmart. We need candy. Mr. Biggs has to have his Reese's peanut butter cups. This used to be filled with nuts, and I moved all the nuts into the freezer because they don't stay very good, and that could really use a wash. Not really too sure what I'm going to fill that back up with. Plenty of nut butters, plenty. Actually, let me go ahead and get probably 2 peanut butter. Now, I'm going to look at this shelf next. This is protein powder, condiments, tea, coffee, things like that. Protein powder, I have an automatic pantry Amazon thing for my protein powder. I don't need any protein powder right now. Let's talk condiments. I need mayonnaise, and Alaska Prepper put up a video that the price of mayonnaise is supposed to go through the roof. So I've actually been researching how to make my own mayonnaise out of my eggs for my chickens and all that. But for right now, I'm gonna get 4 mayonnaise. We usually go through 2 containers of mayonnaise a month, which I know is a lot of that's a lot of mayonnaise, but I love mayonnaise. I know it's not good for me. Don't hate me in the comments. Whatever. A couple of gray coupons. So we're going to put that on the Walmart list. Salad dressings. Part of my pantry challenge was to use up all my salad dressings. I have none. I am so excited. And last summer on my other channel, I experimented with all kinds of different homemade dressings. We love them. But Mr. Biggs still likes the stuff in a bottle. I don't hate him for it. So let's get 1 of each of the salad dressings. I don't really need any of the teriyaki or sweet and sour chicken. Barbecue sauce. I'm probably going to get 3 barbecue sauce. I don't need any of the mustard barbecue sauce. We don't use that one as much as the regular one. Hot sauce. I only have 1 hot sauce. I think that's a crime in the South. Definitely need hot sauce. I've got plenty of vinegar, plenty of apple cider vinegar. I might get 1 more apple cider vinegar. Ketchup. Gonna need at least 2 or 3 ketchups. And that is my list. I'll probably get another Olive Garden, the knockoff Olive Garden Italian dressing from Aldi. We really like this, and it tastes amazing in pasta salad. And summer is coming. In this bucket here is salt. And Mr. Biggs took a ton of my salt and used it to cure a rattlesnake hide. So I'm going to see if I can find salt, which I know has been in short supply in a lot of different videos, but let's see if we can find that. Here's my list so far. We're going to put salt on here. I'd like to pick up some freeze-dried regular coffee, and I would like to have another one of these. These are super expensive. I'm still going to get one. The mental factor of having a freeze-dried decaf with some cream in it is fine with me. I think that's worth the money. Mr. Biggs likes this for his shakes, so I'll pick up another one of these. Okay, there's a before shot. I want to get another liquid aminos, and I also want to get another regular yellow mustard because I don't have a backup. Tea, I have tons of tea. I have more tea than I'll probably ever drink in my lifetime, but that is okay. It is super skinny right here, like super skinny, like woo, it's super skinny. Mr. Biggs and I are not big people, which is nice. This is his hot dog chili. He really likes this stuff. I don't eat it, but he loves it. If I see some, I'll probably pick up a couple of these. I've got plenty of beans. Kidney beans. I need 3 of those. I keep 26 of most things because if I was going to eat 1 can once a week for 6 months, I would need 26 cans. Tuna. You know, I might actually pick up some tuna. It's 2 rows back. It's kind of dark. Wow! Flying tuna. Maybe I'll pick up a couple of hams too. They haven't had these at Aldi's the last few times I've gone. And Spam, I could use maybe 2 of those. Corned beef hash, good. Olives, got a little spot, 2 olives. Got plenty of pickles. Probably pick up an olive oil for sure. These cannellini beans, maybe I'll pick up 1. I don't really use those a ton. Baked beans, I'm going to pick up none of those. I'm not going to pick any up. And then black beans, plenty. Pickles, plenty. This shelf over here is all home canned stuff. We've been trying to make an effort to use up the canned hamburger. There's only 3 left, which is great. This in 2019, so the goal in 2022 is to use up everything I canned in 2019. So I could honestly do another round of hamburger. Chili, taco meat. Yeah. Sausage, we haven't made as much of an effort to eat up this sausage. If I found a deal on it, I would can another round of it. We love this canned sausage, but I'd never use it. And this is bacon, canned bacon. Mr. Biggs uses this when he's camping. I need to make an effort to use that up this year too. Next up is the grains section. I don't have any marshmallows. I would just like to let you know that I am literally the victim of a crime here, because what planet do I live on when I don't have any marshmallows? I see Mr. Biggs hid. Yep. He hid the Oreos behind those paper towels. Oh, man down. This is gluten flour, and I'm pretty sure this is probably rancid by now, so it's got to go, and I will get a new one. My potato chip is empty. Look, no cheese chips, no tortilla chips, the gluten-free chia seed ones that I really like, the quinoa ones, and only 2 bags of plain chips. Must restock. Don't need any macaroni and cheese. I literally have more macaroni and cheese than Aldi did last time I went. And this will stay good for about a year past the expiration or best buy. So I'm not really worried about this. Zatarans. I've got some. Mr. Biggs really likes this dirty rice one. I'll think about that. Gluten-free flour. I have this on Amazon Pantry, so it just comes 1 bag a month, which is about what we use. I need to fill up my gluten-free pasta and see what I need for that. Brown sugar. I got plenty of sugar. This rice, yummy. It's good in soups. This is regular, not organic sugar. It's just regular cane sugar from the grocery store. Got some gluten-free spaghetti back there. Rice. These are regular oats. I need to give these to my son or make some cookies. One or the other. Because this has gluten in it. This is quinoa flakes back there. More, oh, these are grits. Grits way back here. Sorry the lighting's so terrible. And gluten-free lasagna noodles, which I used a bunch of these up to make freezer meals. I probably won't get any more of these. Gluten-free pizza crust. Some Rice Krispies for Rice Krispie squares. This is just an empty jar. This is where I keep my sweet potatoes and onions. I want to get at least 4 or 5 bags of sweet potatoes. I'm going to plant a bunch. These are my pastas. I'll figure that out in a minute. It's not super rundown, but when I refill my containers, it's going to look different in there. And gluten-free pasta isn't exactly cheap. So I'll take a peek in there. I'll go through all these bins. And then we have some just regular water down there. Storage. gluten-free cornbread mix. I'm gonna need 2 of those. We keep these on hand. They're really easy and I really like them. Grits for Mr. Big's instant grits. Might pick up a box. I don't know. He really likes these. He can just put these in the microwave for 90 seconds and make his own breakfast. Gluten-free pancake mix. Missing some over there. Probably order that. Jello and pudding. Jello were good. And then I have this random guy that I picked up at the store. Is there something that you're missing in your pantry? Are you able to fill any gaps in? I hope you got some ideas. Could definitely use some more Idaho potatoes up here for sure. All my dehydrated stuff over there. This is mashed potato flakes and hash brown potatoes. I am not buying these anymore. I'm not buying spinach anymore, and I'm not buying any collard greens anymore. Once we eat these up, we're not gonna have these in the pantry anymore because we can grow them, and we grow them year round. I've learned this, and so I don't need to stock these anymore. Once we eat through them, I'll have room in my pantry for something else. Beets, probably pick up 2 cans of beets. Canned asparagus, I won't do that again. It's mushy. It's delicious, but it's mushy. Then corn, we don't eat a lot of corn. Mixed vegetables, pretty good. I don't know why you're here. Hello, vanilla pudding, why are you here? We ate up all of our canned sweet potatoes. Actually, the dog ate them, which she loves them. That is empty space now. These seasoned Italian green beans, Mr. Biggs loves these. Definitely gonna pick some of these up. And the seasoned cabbage and rutabagas, these are delicious. And I don't grow regular traditional cabbage. Mushrooms, I would like to restock my mushrooms if they have them at the store. Tomato paste, looking great. Probably get 2 things of applesauce. Don't know why that's in there from 21. Need to eat that up. Then we made an effort to eat some of the canned fruit. Mr. Biggs had quite a few of these fruit cocktails. And he had some peaches too, which is great. I need to make a peach cobbler. I think that would be really delicious. We're gonna do that. We ate through some pineapple, ate through some of these mandarin oranges, which these are my favorite. Diced tomatoes. I'm gonna go down to 3 of these. We grow a lot of tomatoes, so I don't use these as much as I do my fresh tomatoes. Again, green beans, we have a huge amount of green beans coming. I'm going down to 3 of these. Peas, same, going down to 3. We're just not using it as quick as I thought it would. These potatoes, I had to make such an effort to use these. I use a lot more of these to make potato salad and things like that, so I'm gonna go down to 2. And chickpeas, the bane of my existence. I bought these. Oh, Lord help me. I bought so many. And I mean, we like them and they're okay, but they're not my first choice. So, lesson learned. I can make some hummus, I guess, and make hummus and crackers. You learn things when you're prepping about how much you use and how much you'll eat and how much you'll change. I want to say gluten-free crackers. I need to stock up on these when I see them from now on because we love gluten-free crackers. The mixes I'm good on. I'm just going to leave these at the rate that they're at. Maybe I'll get a couple brownie mixes. I make a mean brownie ganache brownie ganache tort. Maybe I'll get a couple of those. Looking good on the spices. Definitely want to pick up some salt. Maybe I'll pick up some pepper. Maybe I'll do that. I need peppercorns for sure. If I can find some peppercorns, I need those. We're looking really good on those. I probably should get another baking cocoa. And I need cream of tartar and maybe some powdered buttermilk. I have those on my list. Here, these Alfredo sauces. Mr. Biggs loves these with canned chicken and broccoli with pasta. Probably pick up a few of those. Breadcrumbs, got plenty. Parmesan, maybe get one of those. Almond milk, I just got one at the Dollar Tree the other day to put in there. And evaporated milk, I made such an effort to use up this evaporated milk. I'm so proud of myself. I will pick up a couple of cans of that. It's so handy, so handy. If you're baking, we don't keep milk in our house because we don't really drink it. Sweetened condensed milk, gonna pick up a couple of those. It's always fudge season at my house, so why not? Spaghetti sauce. I'm not going to be buying spaghetti sauce anymore. I'm so excited because we had so many tomatoes last year that I made a ton of spaghetti sauce and froze it. This year I want to make spaghetti sauce and I want to can it. So this will be replaced with canned spaghetti sauce, home canned. Salsa, we're good. Not going to buy any salsa. Got plenty of that. And then the crushed tomatoes, I might actually buy 2 of these. I don't know. I might. Pie fillings and pumpkin. Pie fillings were good. Pumpkin, if I can find some, I might get a couple. Cookie Lou likes that in her dog food. And we love pumpkin. Pumpkin muffins, pumpkin everything. Don't need to can any jam. Lord help us all. Don't need it. For a couple years after the boys left, because they grew up, I canned jam like they were still at home. And we have a ton. Honey. Next time we're out somewhere, I'm going to get honey. I told Mr. Biggs that. And then this back here is all, can you see it? Oh, wait, yeah. Okay. That back there, all in the back is maple syrup. So we're good. There's a shot of my Dollar Tree haul from the other day. Just a little one. I replaced 2 boxes of tissues because we used 2 full boxes when we were sick. That was crazy. The lighting in here is even worse, but I'm definitely getting some quart-sized bags for all the freezing I'm going to do this summer with my produce. And I opened up a trash bag, so I need to replace that trash bag back there. I noticed that the quality of these trash bags is really different than it was before I opened these. I had just bought them. The older ones are kind of in the back, and the quality is way different. It's almost like a grocery shopping bag versus the thick, slick plastic that we're used to. Craziness. Another thing I need to get is chicken. I need to stock up on some chicken if I find it and can some chicken. Mr. Biggs loves this. Cookie Lou, my little dog, loves it in her dog food. Chicken is on my list. That's my turkey. That's turkey broth. Then some pork. I have a whole thing missing of pork. Maybe I need to find a deal on pork too. Beef down there. I got lots of beef. Lots and lots of beef. There's beef up here too. More beef. Mr. Biggs likes these when he's hunting, these little meat sticks. And then this bin is the must-use bin. Some chicken in there. I don't know why the peaches are in there. Why are you in here? Oh, Lord. Runaway peaches. And then these guys, these pork neck bones. Here's my list, all completed. I will not be able to buy this entire list in 1 month. The elevated prices and shortages mean that I probably won't be able to find everything when I go to the store either. I have $400 for regular groceries plus prepping items for me and Mr. Biggs. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. I appreciate your support on my channel. Is there anything that you would add to the list? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you again, and remember everybody, I would rather be a year early than a day late.